As long as a Tesla has driven 120,000 kilometers, its chassis will be rattled. If you think about this situation, it usually occurs during the coin instruction, or if there is a problem with the horn, remove the coin.
The aging of these currency exchange sets has caused people to take out the old exchange sets and replace them with new ones. Just compare the old church that was replaced with this new one. The old one is very aged, and I installed the coins. Then change the elevation angle to completely eliminate the abnormal noise. To repair Tesla, go to Mange Chain to increase your supply to 1 million.